Morning guys, Warren sitting with TV. Today I am changing the gearbox oil on the AE111. It hasn't been changed for the last close to 10 years now. So let me show you how it's done. Cool. So this time around I didn't use the jack stands. I'm just jacking the car up slightly. As you can see, the wheels are almost close to the ground. What I've done also is, if I can come across, I've removed this bolt here on the gearbox. As you can see there, that's the front gearbox bolt that will show you when your gearbox is full. Normally people will take off the top sensor. This is your let me just get there. The sensor here, this one here, normally people take the sensor out. This is your speedo sensor. Normally you don't want to do that because you hardly ever know when your gearbox is full of gearbox oil. So rather do it the right way. Take this bolt out here. Let's go underneath. Okay, cool. Going underneath, you can also see that the catch pan is laying here. There's a bolt there, as you can see right there. Let's take it a little bit back. There's a bolt right there. As you can see, it's dripping there. That's the bottom gearbox sump plug or gearbox plug that will release the gearbox oil from coming out of the gearbox itself. Both of these, the one in front, as you can see there, and the one at the bottom there, are both 24mm. So gearbox oil is already drained out. So I'm going to just quickly put the plug back in, and then throw some gearbox oil in. Alright, cool. So as you can see, I have put the plug back in. This bolt is still out. This is where I'm going to throw the gearbox oil in. So I'm drained. I've put in the sump plug with a new washer, and it's tightened now. So I'm going to move to the top, and I'll show you how I do it to throw in the gearbox oil in the gearbox. Cool. So what I've done so far is this little bottle, this is your gearbox oil that you're going to be using in your car, and it's what's the grain 75W90 Castrol multi-active or multi-vehicle gearbox oil that you're going to be using on your 20 valve. Very good shit. Oh, sorry, very good stuff. But where the problem comes in, the nozzle on the bottle is very short, and the space that you have to work in is very cramped. Let me show you. So the space that you're going to be working in is very cramped. As you can see, there's your little gap that you have. So you have all these obstacles in the way. So what I do is very simple. Let me just put this down here. There we go. As you can see, there's the little hole that I need to be in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit this pipe. I'm going to fit in there. Cool. So that pipe is currently fitted in there. Snug. Good. So as that pipe is in there, I will be throwing the gearbox oil through here. It will run down through the pipe into the gearbox. I'll show you how it's done. The gearbox oil runs into the box. Simple as that. Now you just wait until the gearbox is full. When the gearbox is full, it will drain out on that side. I'll show you when it's done. Cool, so this is bottle number 2. So we'll take about 3 liters of these bottles because they are a liter bottle. So it will take about 3 liters of these bottles, but you need to keep your eye on to see that it's full because it will seep out. Cool, let's throw number 2. And then you can take it out so that air can seep into the pump, and then you can let it run down into the box. Simple. Cool, so this is the last bottle that I'm going to throw in, number 3. So I'm going to throw it in and watch until when it seeps out, and then it should be okay. As soon as it seeps out, it's full. Sweet. So yeah, it seeped out, and I'll show you how it looks at the bottom. Stand by. So as you can see, it started dripping, and I caught the catch pan, and the oil is now back into the catch pan itself. So I had to put the plug back in because it was seeping out. As soon as it starts seeping out, that means your box is full. Thanks for watching. Cheers.